Welcome to Chi-Chi's Igbo Language Services. Bịa ka ị soro m mụta asụsụ Igbo. If you like this video, click the like button, the subscribe button, the bell, and comment below. In this video, I will be discussing the Igbo alphabets V to Z, starting with the pronunciation followed by its song pattern. We will start with the Mkpụrụedemede V. This Mkpụrụedemede is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet V. It is pronounced as in the letters VI, V, as in the English word victory. Say it with me. V, 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 as in victory. Next Abịdịị followed by V is We. This Abịdịị is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet W. It is pronounced as in the letters WI, We, as in the English word winter. Say it with me. We, 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 as in winter. The next Mkpụrụedemede is Ye. This Mkpụrụedemede is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet Y. This Mkpụrụedemede is pronounced differently with Y-E-E. Ye. Say it with me. Ye, Ye, Ye. The next Abịdịị is Z. This Abịdịị is similar to the English alphabet Z. Hence, it can be pronounced the same way. Or the Abịdịị Z can be pronounced as in the letters ZI, Z in the word zipper. Say it with me. Z, 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 as in the word zipper. And now, the musical part of the Abịdịị. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, W, Y, G, H, E, J, K, B, Kwe, Le, Ne, Nyo, O, Pe, Re, Se, She, Te, O. Ve, We, Ye, Ze. Thank you for joining me in learning the Abịdịị. If you'd like to learn more about the Mkpụrụedemede, check out the videos over here and over there and down there. I will see you next time.